What happens to your body if you do deadlifts? Deadlift every day. The deadlift is a popular compound weightlifting exercise that targets the major muscles of the legs and lower back, making it highly effective for building strength. In the following video, I will discuss the potential effects of performing deadlifts daily on your body. I invite you to watch the video until the end for some intriguing insights. Let's get started. What muscles do deadlift work? The deadlift is a compound exercise that engages all major muscle groups, with particular emphasis on the legs, specifically the hamstrings, and back. In addition, the abs play a crucial role in stabilizing the body during the movement. The trapezius and forearm muscles also receive significant stimulation, and the hands experience a challenging static load. These are just some of the benefits of deadlifts, but there's more to explore. Activate hip extensors. The deadlift is a highly effective exercise for targeting the hip extensors, which comprise the gluteus maximus and the muscles of the hamstrings. Recent studies suggest that deadlifts may be superior to squats for developing these muscles. Nevertheless, squats provide unique benefits and are an essential element of a well-rounded workout routine. Relieve lower back pain. Both men and women frequently experience low back pain, which can stem from various causes and require diverse treatment approaches. Nonetheless, research indicates that deadlifts can be a useful method for reducing mild low back pain symptoms. It's crucial to note that executing the deadlift correctly with a neutral spine position is crucial to prevent exacerbating the pain. Nevertheless, it's essential to consult with a physician before incorporating deadlifts into a low back pain treatment plan. Improve jumpability. Jumping is a fundamental skill that often reflects an individual's overall lower body strength development. Studies suggest that the deadlift offers a significant advantage in enhancing maximal jumping performance. Increase bone mineral density. Reduced bone mineral density is a common consequence of aging, posing a significant health concern for older individuals. Severe bone mineral density loss can result in osteoporosis, increasing the risk of fractures in the elderly. Extensive research supports the efficacy of strength training in slowing age-related bone mineral density decline. The localization of enhanced bone density is directly correlated with the trained area of the body. Specifically, the greatest remineralization of bone tissue occurs in the region of the muscles utilized during the exercise. Since the deadlift targets the legs and hips, incorporating it into a comprehensive strength training program can be highly beneficial and may help mitigate or reverse age-related bone mineral density loss. Activate core muscles. Incorporating core muscle training into a well-rounded fitness program is crucial. Studies indicate that deadlifts and other free weight exercises provide additional advantages by activating and strengthening the muscles that support the spine, including the external obliques, rectus abdominis, and erector spinae. Speed up metabolism. Numerous fitness enthusiasts strive to achieve weight loss, particularly through fat reduction. The key to accomplishing this goal is to burn more calories than you consume within a designated period. Conventional weight loss approaches involve altering your diet to lower calorie intake and engaging in physical activity to raise calorie expenditure. Studies suggest that deadlifts can substantially increase energy expenditure through exercise. Utilizing strength training with deadlifts and similar exercises can be among the most effective methods for enhancing calorie burn while reducing the overall duration of your workout sessions. How to do deadlift with proper form. Maintaining proper form during a deadlift is critical due to the high risk of injury. Let's examine the technique in detail. Begin by placing your feet hip-width apart. Pull your hips back and lean forward to grab the barbell with both hands. Straighten your chest and shoulders while looking ahead. Tighten your back muscles and arch your lower back before lifting the barbell. When lowering the bar, shift your pelvis back while slightly bending your knees. It's crucial to keep your back straight throughout the deadlift. If you're unable to maintain this posture and begin to hunch over, you've likely taken on too much weight. Deadlift contraindication. There are several contraindications for deadlifts, such as spine or knee issues, among others. Moreover, the exercise can put a significant strain on the cardiovascular system, making it unsuitable for individuals with high blood pressure or heart disease. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new facts. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.